basically I'm going to tell you how to install Bluetooth driver or Bluetooth on Windows. So without wasting time, let's go to the browser. So I will recommend you to use Chrome browser. So now you have to search Bluetooth driver for Windows and now enter. Now when you reach here, and now you have to go to. So now the two links will be appear here. So which is used, you can click on any of the links. So right now we are using Windows 10. So this is for the Windows 10 Bluetooth driver for the Windows 10. So you have to click on it. Now we have to basically choose the version from here. So first of all, you have to check your Windows version before installing. So we have to go to open the file explorer and just right click on this PC and go to properties. After this you have to go to a Windows specification where you can see the Windows version and Windows edition. Now in system type, you can see my system is of 64-bit operating system. So your all the information of your system will be displayed over here. So you can just verify once you verify it is 32-bit or 64-bit. So suppose if your system is 34-bit, so now what you need to do, you have to just search again Bluetooth driver for, or you just Bluetooth driver 32-bit and just enter it. And the Bluetooth driver for the 32-bit will be appear here. So you just have to go to this link and download the installation file. So you can just click on this to install. So right now, since I'm using 64-bit system, I'm going to click on this to download. Right now on my system there is no Bluetooth, and we already know that Bluetooth is used to send files from mobile to PC or PC to mobile, but the speed is is limitation of Bluetooth. Let's install this Bluetooth. Just right click, just open it to install. Just yes to allow. So now click on next. So the status will be shown here. So now it is preparing to install. Now just click on next. Accept the terms in the license agreement. Now click on next. And now install the most common program features recommended for the most users. So you can select the typical, or you can go to complete and click on install. It will take several minutes to install. Then we'll show you how to send files from PC to mobile and mobile to PC via Bluetooth. Now we can click on finish to finish the installation. Now we'll see our Bluetooth is appeared or not. So we can go to home here and we can go to devices, and we can see, just click on Bluetooth device. So still I'm struggling to see my Bluetooth icon. So how can I fix this? So you can do one thing from here. You can go to the update and security and look for the Bluetooth driver if there is a Bluetooth driver update or not. So just go to click on this view optional updates and expand this driver updates. And now you can see the Qualcomm Athros communication Bluetooth controlled Dell wireless This one is my Bluetooth driver, and I have to install this to basically install my Bluetooth. So you can also search the Bluetooth driver by your PC name or laptop names. Like this is my Dell, so wireless 1705. So you can search for it. So when you if you found any driver in your driver updates, you can just click on the download and install, and it will start installing. So right now it is downloading, and the progress will be shown here. So it is now downloaded. Now it is being installed. Now guys, let me show you. Now the my Bluetooth icon has been appeared here. So it is appeared now. So you can see here. So now I can go back to devices and Bluetooth, and now you can see it is now enabled. If you want to send a file from here, so from via Bluetooth, then you can click on this option, send or receive files via Bluetooth, and now just click on send file and choose the device. So this is my mobile smartphone right now, and let me enable the by Bluetooth from here. And yeah, I'm going to send file to Redmi 9, Redmi Note 8 Pro, and click on next. And now I have to browse the file that I am going to send. So let me send some file here. Let me send one picture photo, that will be enough to verify. So let me send this file, and I'm going to open it. Now confirm to send this file, I have to click on next, and it will start sending. But it will ask for the permission. So first of all, it will add a device to system. So it will ask for the pairing. So I have to confirm this pin on my PC and on my mobile as well. So I have to confirm on my mobile as well. So since I didn't confirm on mobile, I have to click on again, or I have to choose it file. Let me browse the file again. So let me select the file again, and let me click on next. And now it will ask permission, and now it will be sent over Bluetooth. So the drawback of the Bluetooth is basically the speed. So it will take lots of time as compared to. So now you can see it is finished. Now I can click on finish to close this window. So that's how you can install Bluetooth driver. And if you now I can click on cancel. And now guys, just click on this device and click on. So yeah, that's right. You can install Bluetooth driver on your system. I hope you like it. I hope you. So there are several third-party application as well to install the correct Bluetooth driver on your system. So on searching on browser, it might not help you. So usually the Bluetooth driver is installed on every system if the system has a Bluetooth modem. But in case you mistakenly uninstall the Bluetooth driver, you can check it on Device Manager, and look for the Bluetooth device or Bluetooth driver under the network adapter. So you can see the Bluetooth device is now is appeared under the Bluetooth network adapter. If this is not shown or it is not appeared on your device or on your system, just click on view and choose this show hidden devices. If there is Bluetooth device, it will be shown here and it will be faded because it is not enabled. So I'm going to turn it off right now. And if it is disabled, you can just click on it, right click on it, and click on enable device. If it is disabled, the enable device will be shown here in the list. If it is enabled, the disable device will be shown here. So you just need to click on enable device and your Bluetooth will be come back on your system. So you just need to, so now you can see the Bluetooth driver actually installed on my system right now. So you can do it by just the body. So yeah, I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.